Bojnice Castle is not just about history. It thrives as a cultural beacon, hosting events like the Festival of Ghosts and Spirits. Visitors from around the globe gather here, turning the castle into a lively tableau of ghost stories and folklore. A visit to Bojnice Castle is an adventure for all ages. Guided tours reveal the secrets within its walls, while the sprawling gardens offer serene walks and a peek into Slovakia's natural beauty. Adjacent to the castle, the Bojnice Zoo, one of the oldest in Europe, promises delightful family excursions.
Originally a wooden fort in the 12th century, Bojnice Castle has witnessed a remarkable transformation. Owned by numerous nobility, each left their mark. In the late 19th century, Count János Ferenc Páfi infused it with romance, modeling it after the iconic Loire Valley castles of France. Let's delve into its fascinating history. As we explore the rich history of Bojnice castles, we encounter a series of remarkable transformations that speak to its enduring legacy. Initially built to serve as a defensive structure, the castle gradually evolved into a stately residence that reflected the wealth and power of the noble families who occupied it. The medieval architecture provided a solid foundation, while subsequent renovations introduced exquisite Gothic and Renaissance elements that enhanced its grandeur. Throughout the centuries, Bojnice Castle became a witness to significant historical events and societal shifts. It was a place where important alliances were forged through strategic marriages and where pivotal decisions regarding the region's governance were made. The stories of the noble families, their triumphs, and their tragedies are etched into the castle walls, each room echoing with the whispers of the past. In the 19th century, Count János Ferenc Páfi's vision brought a fresh wave of romanticism to the castle, guiding its architectural progression toward a more whimsical aesthetic. He adorned the exterior with fairytale spires and added ornate decorations that captured the imagination. This period also marked an increase in cultural activities within the castle, as it became a hub for artists, intellectuals, and aristocrats. Lavish balls and soirees filled its halls, where laughter and music intertwined with the sounds of clinking glasses and dancing feet. Today, Bojnice Castle stands as a symbol of national pride, attracting visitors from around the globe who come to marvel at its beauty and immerse themselves in its rich history. Guided tours allow guests to journey through time, exploring opulent chambers, ornate staircases, and the stunning views from its turrets. The castle is not just a monument of the past, it is a living, breathing entity that continues to inspire awe and wonder.
Bojnice Castle is a perfect harmony of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. The Hall of the Knights exudes mystique with its intricate woodwork, while the Golden Hall dazzles with its gold-patterned ceilings. Beneath the castle lies the Dragon's Cave, an ancient, rocky underworld that whispers tales of the past. Bojnice Castle is not just about history. It thrives as a cultural beacon, hosting events like the Festival of Ghosts and Spirits. Visitors from around the globe gather here, turning the castle into a lively tableau of ghost stories and folklore. A visit to Bojnice Castle is an adventure for all ages. Guided tours reveal the secrets within its walls, while the sprawling gardens offer serene walks and a peek into Slovakia's natural beauty. Adjacent to the castle, the Bojnice Zoo, one of the oldest in Europe, promises delightful family excursions. After an exhilarating day exploring the enchanting Bojnice Castle and the delightful nearby zoo, why not stroll into the charming town of Bojnice for an unforgettable dining experience? Treat yourself to a scrumptious dinner where every bite is a culinary delight, and wash it down with a perfectly foaming, delicious beer served by the town's friendly waitresses. It's the perfect way to relax and savor the local flavors after your adventure. Don't miss out on this perfect ending to your day. Join us and discover the ultimate in dining and hospitality right here in Bojnice. Then, after an incredible day of adventure, why not unwind in style? Rent a cozy yet spacious cottage that's fully furnished to meet all your needs, complete with luxurious amenities, including a relaxing spa. Imagine sinking into comfort after exploring, enjoying the perfect blend of tranquility and homey charm. This is the ultimate way to cap off your Bojnice experience. Don't miss the chance to treat yourself to a delightful retreat in the heart of nature. As we draw our journey to a close, we hope you felt the magic of Bojnice Castle as deeply as we have. This magnificent fortress is more than just a stunning architectural marvel. It's a living testament to Slovakia's rich history and vibrant culture. Whether you've been captivated by its romantic allure, fascinated by its tales of knights and spirits, or inspired by its breathtaking beauty, Bojnice Castle awaits your visit. So pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and step into a world where history, culture, and fairy tales intertwine. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.